Hey socialites, welcome back. So today we're going to shop the Nordstrom sale. So today's the first day the sale is open to everybody. Similar to the Sephora sale, the Nordstrom sale is a tiered sale. Today's the 18th, so people like me get to shop. It's open to everybody. So we're gonna get ready for that while we catch up, y'all. I've been waiting to catch up with y'all. I'm gonna start off with the Smooth Affair Brightening Face Primer from Jane Iredale. Really good, especially if you want a primer that's hydrating, and this does help me to be locked in all day. You can use this in substitution of your moisturizer, actually. You don't need both. And for foundation, going in with my Lawless Forget the Filler foundation. Haven't worn this in a while, in the shade 19T. June was the kids' summer piano recital. So if you're a new socialite, my kids are, at this point, I guess you can call them pianists. They've been doing piano for about going on 6 years now. Trey's actually been playing more years than he hasn't at this point. And so they have their winter recitals and their summer recitals. I usually give y'all a little clip of it. This was the first year ever that Trey kind of stumbled a little bit. But when I tell you he did so amazing, you wouldn't have even cared. So good. And it was so cute, girl, because afterwards he was like, Mommy, I made a mistake. I've never made a mistake on recital before. And I said, well, you still did so good. It didn't even matter. And he was like, yeah. So he proceeds to tell everybody how great he did and that he killed it, which he did. And so I thought it was so cute that he wasn't hard on himself whatsoever, girl. I said, some of us need to take notes from little Trey, because when I tell you he was not hard on himself, I loved how he just got back up and just kept going. AJ did really well too. She doesn't like piano, y'all. She don't like it, but I made her stick to it. Once she graduates high school, she can move on and do, something different or nothing at all as far as extracurricular. But I wanted her to at least have one thing that she stuck with most of her life growing up, And I think she's starting to appreciate it, but it's still like not her favorite thing to do. So I had been telling you guys that we were on a house search, buying our first home together, and the search is over. I was starting to get a little worried, y'all, that I wouldn't be able to find the one I love, because we need to stay in the same schools with the kids. And I just hadn't seen anything that just really spoke to me, We've been here for 6 years already. I think I told y'all that. My space that I'm working in right here is literally like the formal dining room. So when anybody comes in our home, they see this big backdrop. You can see through it and see all the equipment and my products. The homes didn't speak to me. You want to go somewhere that says, oh yes, I can see myself living here. This is my home, Right when I was saying that and starting to feel that way, a few options came. I had to bring in some help to help me out with that, because I honestly didn't know what to pick. So that's a good problem to have. I ended up making a decision, made an offer on the house, and our offer was accepted. And so your girl is going to be moving in a new home. And so that's some exciting stuff. I forgot just how much of a perfect match the Lawless foundation is for me. Like, this has to be the closest shade match out of my whole foundation collection, y'all. So back to AJ. She's going to the 9th grade. So this is going to be her first year in high school, and she's nervous and excited about it. I'm excited for her. And while she was in the 8th grade, they had started sort of introing the students into applying for college so that they can do their dual enrollment. Well, AJ was like set against it, right? She was just like, oh, it's going to be so much for me to do, and I'm never going to have any free time. And you guys, I had been trying to convince her to do it scared, to do it anyway. And I had got another student, a newly graduated student, to talk to her about it, who finished it. She graduated high school this year with her associate's degree in college because she did it. So she talked to AJ and, you know, just told her like, it's really not as hard as what you think. And the liaisons really want you guys to do good, so they give you all the help in the world. Fast forward to a few weeks ago, AJ finally decided, yes, she wants to go through with it. So excited about that. So we applied to the college that's, you know, working with the school. She got accepted. And so now she just needs to take her entrance exam. And yeah, she will be doing college courses and high school at the same time, hopefully graduating high school with her associate's degree, which she wants to go to school for sports medicine, and she is wanting to attend Baylor, y'all. So super proud of AJ. She's excited, and I want to keep her excited. If you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. Any of y'all have any high school students, or if you're a parent, you have any tips on keeping your kids sort of excited about school and excited to achieve more and do more than maybe the other students, y'all comment down below and let me know. Prayer is a big thing in my household, and we're a household that believes that all good things come from God. But the helpful tips that y'all have with your kiddos, or even with yourself, especially if you're in the health industry, give us a little bit of encouragement in the comment section. Thank you, child. Welcome. And I think we are all caught up, y'all. So I'm gonna finish my face and not bore you guys too much. If you have anything exciting or anything that you wanna sort of share with us good that's going on in your life, comment down below, let us know what's going on with you. And I'll finish my makeup, and I will see you guys in Nordstrom. so we're headed out. We're actually gonna go to the Houston Galleria location for Nordstrom, but I stopped by a new coffee spot, y'all. I've been going here every week for like a few weeks. It's called Pkwy, and it's an Indian coffee house. So cute in there, so cozy, really vibey. They play Indian music. The crowd is always really sweet. Management always greets you, and the coffee is so good. I get the one that's named after the place. I think it's called the Pkwy, and it's a spicy coffee. So it has like, it makes you think of cinnamon spice but stronger, maybe like clove or something. 10 out of 10. It's not too sweet, and the coffee is really robust. I like a strong coffee taste. So good. I don't know why they gave me this big straw, but I'm thinking because today is the first day the sale is open to everybody that it might be quite a few people here, so we'll see. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I got there around 12 o'clock, and when we pulled in the parking garage, I saw quite a bit of people already coming out with their Nordstrom anniversary sale bags, y'all. So I was kind of getting hyped. When we got in there, I wouldn't say it was too crowded, but there was a lot more people than on like a normal Saturday, I would say for sure. Tons of people working in the store. Everybody was really helpful. They did have a special promotion going on with the skincare brand. I think it's called Sky or Ski. They had like an extra percentage off of them. So I think every day during the sale, they're going to have a different brand giving extra promotion on top of whatever the regular sales price is. They also had different brands set up in store that were giving away free gifts. After I made the purchase, they had a big acrylic box, like a big square, and you could literally go in. They gave you like a big zip pouch, and you can go in and take as many samples of whatever you wanted. Fragrance, skincare, body care, all kind of stuff. So that was pretty cool. Oh, even hair care, y'all. Be on the lookout for the Nordstrom anniversary sale haul that's coming up next. And I'm about to pack up my whole entire fragrance collection, y'all. And we pretty much got boxes all throughout the living room. So my packing paper just came in. So all of my stuff in my studio, my fragrances, all of my pretty much everything in my beauty room, I'm going to pack myself and move over to the new house myself because I don't want anybody touching my stuff. I don't want anything coming up missing or broke, okay? Everything you guys saw in today's video, I'll have it linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And if you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.